JD 26 here, just do tips and Pearson hobbies. And we've got a G phone, Moto G cellular phone. And let's pull it out of here. Okay. My friend, finally, after all these years, got herself a cell phone. And this is the Moto G. I got some notes in there for her. And I also made up a file for her to reference to if she has any problems. She's only going to use it for emergency purposes. So you just turn it on like this, at the bottom. And I'll show you it with it on. It takes a while to boot up, I guess. Push it again, I guess. There you go. I guess you have to push it twice. And I have to unlock it to track phone. And so you slide it up, and I'm going to put the code in. And there we go. There's the desktop of the Moto G, what it looks like, and that's the stock wallpaper that comes with. I guess it's trying to connect it up with Wi-Fi. But anyway, it's a pretty simple phone. It was only 40 bucks at, the dollar store. I think is where my wife bought it, picked it up. And we got her this nice case here. For it, and it's a fashion case, so let's open it up, and I'll have the link to this case down in the description below, and hopefully I can open this. This thing cut the other stuff pretty good, but it didn't cut the prime package very well. I'm disappointed in that. Pull it out of here. It's a very nice case. I think she's really gonna like it. So we're gonna set it up for her in the case. Let's open it up. There's the case, what it looks like. It's got butterflies on it. It's maroon. I wonder why it's like that. It's got a strap here. Oh, it's magnetized. I was looking for the Velcro. It's magnetized. So, and it's got a thing to put the phone in. So, what I basically want to know is if it'll operate. And it's got the buttons on the side. I gotta put my glasses on, guys. I can't see. And it fits in there nicely. I thought it was going to be bigger than this, compact, but it fits in there pretty good. So let's turn the phone back on. There we go. I'd like to see this a little bit better fit in there. Let's do the test. Okay, it's not dropping out of the case, so that's a good sign. It's got credit cards here. Put credit cards and photo ID right there. So I think she's gonna like that case. It's got over here cut out for the camera, and here I guess this just has to be open if you want to put it on one of those magnetic chargers. Yeah, that's good. Let's see if we can shut it down. Power off. Shutting down. So that's what I want to show you I was doing today with this. Is we got our case in. Let's put the strap on. Where do you put the strap? Oh, right up here. It's got a little hooker here. See it? You pull it back like that with your nail, and you slide it in there, and you hook it. You can carry it like that. That's a nice option to have, you know. She'll probably just put it in her pocketbook. The thing of it is she's going to use it for emergency purposes. With the Moto G, you have to check the battery life once a week and charge it up, because I think in 3 days you could lose the charge. So that's one thing I'm going to outline to her, is that you have to check the charge on it all the time. And she loaded about an hour's worth of time on the phone itself, so she's only used it for emergency purposes. But I'm gonna have my wife call her and see, practice with her, once a month or once a week, and I'll have notes on it if she has any questions about anything else on it. But if you have any questions on the Moto G, let me know. I'll try to answer them in the comments below. So thanks for watching. It does come with a charger, the Moto G. Sorry I didn't show you that. There's a charger right here. Pretty good charger. Okay, one of those connections. And we'll save that. Put that to the side. Put that over there. And her notes are in there, so we'll put this all together in a kit. This actually the booklet right here. Let's put this together like that. I like to be somewhat organized, when it comes to other people. So I'll put this in there. And Ziploc bag. Oh, and the thing about Ziploc bags these days, I forgot to put the charger in there. Let's get elastic too. Ziploc bags these days, you gotta watch them, what you buy. Get the ones with the blue strip, not with the red strip. Check them, because I like the ones with this lock here that goes across, and the ones with the red ones, they weren't working out very well. They weren't closing, they weren't locking, they weren't even opening. So we'll put a elastic around this, keep it nice and organized. Put it in the bag. So like I said, if you want any questions answered about this, I'll try to look them up or find them for you and have a discussion. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video. Rate and subscribe. And be good. Be safe. Be well.